Is your Windows PC taking forever to start up? One of the easiest ways to speed things up is by disabling unnecessary startup apps. And no, there's no need to install expensive cleaner software like so many other people will direct you to. In fact, this fix is built in and it takes less than a minute. The first thing you want to do is click the Start menu and navigate to Settings. Once you're there, you'll navigate to Apps, go to Startup, and this will show you all of the apps that try to run when your PC boots up. Each one will actually show its startup impact, which will be low, medium, high generally, but a lot of my apps are not measured or really have no impact. Realtek is medium impact, but yeah, overall I don't really have many apps that really affect my computer, but if you do, you can see which ones are making your computer run slowly and then toggle it on or off. It's that simple. I've disabled apps like Copilot, Teams, and PhoneLink, and of course not necessarily because they slow my computer down, but because I always close out of them anyway when I get on, and it just takes out that extra step for me. So even if you're not looking to speed up your computer, this is a good way to make those apps that might annoy you every time you log on go away. And just keep in mind that disabling something like Slack, for instance, means you won't get those desktop notifications until you open the app, but you will still get them on your phone if you have the app there. That being said, there might be some apps that you just want to keep on because they're either really useful to you right away, or you just need that function as soon as you turn the computer on. For instance, I keep ProWriting Aid on, I keep Windows security notifications on, and I keep OneDrive on because there's a huge chance that if I'm turning on my laptop, it's because I'm wanting to pick up on a job that was done on another device. So OneDrive would always stay on for me. And don't worry, of course, none of these changes are permanent. You can toggle on and off literally whenever you want. Here's a bonus tip for those who have high impact apps that they want to keep running on startup. You can upgrade to an SSD and it'll dramatically cut start time. Solid state drives are much faster than traditional hard disk drives because they don't rely on moving parts. This means your system can boot in seconds instead of minutes, and not only will you notice a faster startup, but your overall system responsiveness will improve too, from things like launching apps to loading files. Many laptops and desktops can be upgraded with an SSD, and prices have dropped significantly in recent years, honestly. It's one of the best performance upgrades you can make. Anyway, that's it. Whether you want better start times or to get rid of annoying apps, it's just a quick toggle or two for a PC that starts cleaner and faster. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple Windows tips. Got questions or want more quick tips like this? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.